For all you home cooks out there, let's get ready for July 4th with an easy fireworks bundt cake. Show some Independence Day spirit with this tricolor vanilla cake, complete with a tricolor icing. And if you want, patriotic sprinkles. This takes less than an hour to bake and is simple to put together. Join me in the kitchen as we bake this sweet treat. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grease your bundt pan and set it aside. I always like to put my bundt pan on a cookie sheet because I feel like I get a better grip with the cookie sheet. In a mixing bowl, whisk 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 1/2 tablespoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt together and set it aside. In a larger mixing bowl, mix 1 cup of softened unsalted butter and 1 3/4 cups of sugar until the mixture becomes very pale. Next, we'll add 6 egg whites, half a cup of sour cream, and 3 to 4 tablespoons of vanilla extract, vanilla bean paste, or vanilla bean powder. We'll beat this until everything is mixed. To our wet ingredients, we will add half of the flour mixture and mix until it is just combined. Then we'll pour half a cup of heavy cream and mix until it is just combined, followed by the remaining flour mixture. To color our batter, we will need 3 bowls. Pour about 1/3 of the batter into one bowl, then pour another third into a second bowl. This leaves 1/3 of the batter still remaining in the bowl you started with. Color one of the bowls blue and the other red. If you use vanilla powder that darkens your batter, you can always brighten it up with white food gel. In the bundt pan, add the red batter, then white, and finally the blue batter. Use a knife to swirl the batter by plunging the blade to the bottom of the pan and slowly bringing the knife up at a circular angle. Bake your cake for 55 to 65 minutes or until a toothpick or knife comes out clean. Allow the cake to cool in the pan for 30 minutes. Then invert the pan onto a cooling rack and cool for another 30 minutes, or until the cake is room temperature. Before we start on the icing, if you haven't already, make sure you hit the like button and consider subscribing. Back to the recipe. For the icing, we will mix 3 cups of powdered sugar, half a cup of heavy cream or milk, and 2 tablespoons of vanilla bean paste or extract in a small bowl. Check the consistency of your icing. If it is too thick, add 1 teaspoon of cream or milk at a time until you get to your desired consistency. Whisk your icing until it is smooth. Divide your icing into 3 bowls. Color one bowl blue, one bowl red, and the other white. Pour your icing into piping bags. Cut the tips off your icing bags and ice your cake. You can ice the cake in whatever colors you want first, second, and third. The color order I iced in was blue, white, and red. After piping your glaze over the cake, top it with patriotic sprinkles if you want. I bought a small patriotic sprinkle sampler. Let's taste this cake. Yep, this is a super vanilla cake. The Bundt is very light and is not overly sweet, so you can have more than one slice. It's a holiday, have another slice. Everyone else is having one. For your 4th of July celebration, give this cake a try. This cake will be a wonderful closer after your family barbecue and the perfect complement to the fireworks show. Let me know what you plan to eat for your 4th of July. If you like this video, consider dropping a like and subscribing. See you in the kitchen for more of my cooking adventures.